And we begin tonight at 6 with the big news from Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz that face masks will once again be required in public indoor spaces in the county starting tomorrow. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And I'm Scott Levin. Now this move comes as our region has the highest number of COVID hospitalizations since January, with 411 people in the hospital as of yesterday right here. 2 on your side's Jeff Preval has the details on the new mask mandate and what areas are exempt. Jeff?
Yeah, a couple places to mention, Scott and Mary Alice. We've received some clarification from Erie County. Pro sport venues are exempt because of the vaccine mandate at Highmark Stadium and KeyBank Center. Many businesses, however, will be impacted by this mask mandate regardless of vaccination status. Erie County has now announced a 4-phase plan to try to get cases under control. Phase 1, the mask mandate in places such as bars, restaurants, grocery stores, department stores, movie theaters, salons, gyms. Anyone 2 years old and up will have to wear masks inside unless they're eating or drinking. County Executive Mark Poloncarz says that sanitarians will be out doing inspections, possibly issuing fines to individuals if they're in violation.
We've had some questions as to whether or not we can fine individuals who are violating it in a business. We're looking into that. We're not certain we can. Actually had a business leader request that instead of the business being fined, the individual who's violating the mask order be fined.
Now, if phase 2 is implemented, that would mean a vaccine mandate would be put in place to get into bars, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Phase 3 would bring capacity restrictions, and phase 4 would involve shutdowns. 3 weeks from now, the county at this point plans to reassess whether phase 2 is even needed. There's a big focus right now on trying to get COVID hospital admissions down, and depending on the data, phase 2 could come earlier if there's a big spike, or may not be needed at all if the data improves. Live in the studio tonight, I'm Jeff Preval, Channel 2 News.